Okay, now we will study physiology of urine formation. So urine will be formed in our body by three processes. They are ultrafiltration, reabsorption and tubular secretion. Ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration means filtration of blood under pressure. This happens in glomerulus. See. I said that renal artery brings blood which have nitrogenous waste in it and it is wider. Here they are in finer branches. So here the diameter decreases. Therefore the blood comes under pressure. Here the filtration of blood takes place and primary urine is formed. So primary urine will be formed as a filtrate and it will pass in the renal tubule. So what happens when this filtration takes place, along with the waste, some amount of useful substances also are secreted out. And what are they? They are the glucose, amino acids and salt. So what I said that in ultrafiltration, filtration of blood takes place under pressure and this happens in glomerulus. Okay, the primary urine formed, which is 180 liter per day. Okay, so primary urine formed as the filtrate, they passes to the renal tubule and along with this filtrate some amount of useful substances like glucose, amino acid and salts, they also are passed in the renal tubule as a filtrate. These useful substances body cannot afford to lose. Body cannot afford these substances to lose. They are required by the body. So what will happen? Those substances will be reabsorbed by the capillaries. Okay, you can see these renal tubules, they are surrounded, this blue color. Okay, these are the renal tubules. They are surrounded, this also you can see the reddish color. They are surrounded by network of capillaries. So filtrate is formed, passes into the renal tube. And in this renal tubule, some important substances also, useful substances also as a filtrate passed out. They will be now reabsorbed by these blood capillaries. Reddish color which you can see. Okay? They will be reabsorbed. So second process will be reabsorption. The reabsorption of useful substances which are required by the body. Okay. And the third process is secretion. That is tubular secretion. What happens? From the blood capillaries, though some amount of harmful substances are present in the blood capillaries also, so they will again be secreted back into the renal tubule. So ultrafiltration is because of the pressure. And how is the pressure created? Because here the diameter is more and here the diameter is less. So pressure created, ultrafiltration, the filtrate passes out. In the filtrate, useful substances also pass out, some amount of it, which are reabsorbed by these blood capillaries. And again, some amount of substances, toxic substances, which are the waste, they are again secreted back into the renal tubule. And finally, they will be collected in a collecting duct.